By 2030, 1 in 5 Americans is over 65. The company that fixes that doesn't exist yet. AI just stopped being a feature you bolt onto software. It became the ground you build a whole new industry on. The last decade had one playbook: add AI to your product. The next decade tears that up. The biggest openings aren't better apps, they're whole systems: education, healthcare, defense, finance, infrastructure, and work, rebuilt from the ground up. And the frontier is leaving the screen for the physical world. Stay with me. By the end, you'll know the 6 places the next giants get built. Start with Theme 1: AI for People, beginning with the mind. The oldest dream in software is a private tutor for every child. Picture a product that teaches reading, writing, and arithmetic like a one-on-one instructor and scales to every kid on earth. Neil Stephenson imagined it in The Diamond Age, a book that adapts to one child and teaches reasoning, not just facts. Build that for real, and who gets a world-class education changes overnight. Now the fastest growing market almost nobody serves: getting older. By 2030, 1 in 5 Americans is over 65. There are already 53 million unpaid family caregivers, and millions of paid caregiving jobs will go unfilled. Today's tech fails these users. Even voice assistants frustrate most seniors. The opening is huge. Voice built for real conversation, safety monitoring, help robotics, and family care that actually coordinates. Theme 2: when you can't trust your own eyes, you rebuild trust itself. Voice clones and deepfake video calls are cheap and convincing now, and impersonation fraud is exploding. Seeing a face and hearing a voice no longer prove a real human. So the internet needs a universal verification layer, one that plugs into banks, dating, video calls, and reviews without killing privacy. Theme 3: software finally escapes the office. 80% of the global workforce works in the field, yet their software hasn't really changed in 20 years. Now agents code the jobs, robots deploy on site, and workers log through variables. So build the operating system that runs all 3 at once: agents, robots, humans, routing work and keeping everyone safe. Push it further. Data centers are running out of power and land, and approvals take years. So put compute on the water. Offshore flotillas as a global cloud. The ocean is 70% of the planet, soaks up sunlight, and works as a natural heat sink, sidestepping the permitting that stalls data centers on land. Our models of the physical world are thin because we lean on sparse sensors built for humans. But sensor costs are collapsing. So dense real-world data across energy, agriculture, and logistics is now within reach, and ambitiously steering hurricanes and cooling the planet. Theme 4 is the hard stuff: defense, money, and rules. Ground combat defense is opening to commercial founders as the army modernizes how it buys technology. Low-cost interceptors, drones, next-gen sensors, resilient logistics, and systems that survive from the Arctic to underground. Crypto's best building window arrives in the bear market, when focused builders show up. Fintechs are already moving onto crypto rails, stablecoins are going institutional, and agents will use them as financial plumbing. And compliance, scattered across spreadsheets and expensive specialists, whose cost grows faster than revenue, is a far better fit for AI than for humans, watching the rules, flagging anomalies, and keeping the audit trail. Theme 5: the new software layer for everyone else. Every platform shift mints new giants, yet ChatGPT is still the only AI app on most home screens. With token costs falling roughly 10 times a year and agents getting reliable, the door to a billion users is opening. The tools that win go multiplayer. Docs beat Word, Figma beat Photoshop. But AI agents are still single player. Make them multiplayer. Teammates join a live session, watch progress, redirect the work, and hand off across engineering, sales, and support. Small software, tools for one person or a tiny team, is trivial to build now but hard to share. A cloud for small software lets anyone ship working code like a Google Doc. And self-maintaining APIs, a smarter Dependabot, hold that whole layer together. The aging wall, the trust crisis, the fieldwork gap, None of them get solved by adding AI to old tools. The pattern under all of it is the same. AI is the new foundation, the frontier is physical, and the mandate is to replace whole systems, not assist them. The biggest companies of the next decade get built in exactly these gaps. So pick one and go. If this mapped the next decade for you, like this video and subscribe. We go deep on one of these frontiers every week.